welcome to my channel. My name is Simplykrystelle. So today's video is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. So this is a very simple eye, just like a winged eye basically, and a bold red lip. I think that this is one of my favorite looks to do. Like, I love wearing bold colors with simple eyes. Like, I don't like to do dramatic eyes and have like very bold lips. I love to do very simple eyes and really like bold red lips. So I really love this look. I think this is such a beautiful, classic look. I think that this look will look good on anybody, no matter what your skin tone is, and I just think it's such a beautiful look. So before we get on to the tutorial, please press the subscribe button down below, and please also give this video a thumbs up, and I really hope you guys like this tutorial. Now let's get on to it. So I'm taking this little e.l.f. palette right here. This is the bite-sized one, and this is in pumpkin pie, and I'm gonna take this matte brown shade, and I'm literally gonna just wash that over my lid, and that's it. So I'm gonna take this Morphe 505 brush and just kind of build up on this color, and I'm gonna just take this shade in circular motions and just apply it over my lid and in my crease. I'm going to be using my Holy Grail eyeliner, and this is the Tarte Precision Longwear liner. So I'm going to take that and do my wings. This wing, I gotta be very careful because, you know, I ain't that good at wings. So I'm gonna just, let me get my mirror. Let me put my mirror in front of me, guys, so I can do this wing. So I don't want to be out of frame. Most of you guys are not going to be like me, because I'm sure most of you guys know how to do your wings way better than I do. So now what I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm just going to do my foundation and the rest of my face makeup normally. So for today's foundation, I'm actually going to be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect 2-in-1 Concealer foundation, and I have mine in the shade Chestnut. And well, this is a foundation, sorry, I said 2-in-1 foundation and concealer. Mine is in the shade Chestnut, and I'm actually going to use a more hydrating primer because this foundation, it tends to be a little bit like really dry on me, really thick. So for foundation, I'm actually going to take my Smashbox Photo Finish Primerizer primer, and I'm going to use that as my base. So I'm going to take this just to add that extra level of moisture on my skin. I'm gonna apply that, and then on top of that, my nose still hurts. Yesterday I had a really bad sinus headache, and every time I have really bad sinus, so every time I have a sinus headache, the day after, like, it literally feels like someone punched me in my nose. Like, it hurts like all here. So and look, this is from the eyeliner, from me like messing up so much. After I applied the primerizer, it feels so good. I want to apply more. That feels really good. Let me apply a little bit more. It feels so good on my skin right now. Like, I don't know, it just feels so nice on the skin. Oh, that feels really nice. To kind of blur out my pores and stuff and my texture, I'm actually going to take this Cover FX blurring primer, and I'm going to apply that. I'm just going to apply this like on my cheeks because that's where I have the most like texture and stuff. So I'm just going to take that here and just kind of pat it in. Alright, so now I'm ready for foundation. So I'm going to take that Milani foundation and I'm going to apply that. I think I'm going to use a brush today. I'm going to take this 8 brushes for Ulta brush. This is the foundation brush. I just bought this brush, well, not now, but when I bought it because it came with an Alex and Ani bracelet, and I am obsessed with Alex and Ani. I love Alex and Ani, so I really wanted the bracelet, and I just got the brush with it. So I'm just going to take that and apply that. I haven't worn this foundation in forever. That's why I decided to wear it today, because I haven't worn it in forever. I think it's like running a little bit more red on me. Like, I don't know, it looks kind of red today. I have my concealer. I'm gonna take that same concealer I used to prime my lids. I'm gonna take my Photofocus concealer by Wet n Wild. I have mine in dark cocoa, and I actually need another tube of this because it's like running out. But I'm gonna take that and just apply it here underneath my eyes and, you know, down my nose. I've been loving this brush for concealer. This isn't even made for blush, for concealer. This brush isn't even made for concealer. This is the Real Techniques Insta Pop Cheek Brush, and I just love the shape of this brush. Like, it's perfect for your under eye, so I've been using this for concealer. I bought it because I thought it would be like a nice bronzing brush, but I haven't even tried bronzing with it. I've just been using it strictly for like concealer under my eyes because it's like the perfect shape. To set all of that, I'm going to actually take my Fenty Beauty Honey Setting Powder. I haven't used this powder in a while, so I really just want to use it. And I'm just gonna kind of set everywhere. I want to add a little bit of bronze to my skin, so I'm going to take this Jouer bronzer duo. I have mine in the shade the deep to dark bronzer duo, so Sunglow and Sungaze, and I'm actually going to take these two and mix them together and bronze my skin. Now what we're gonna do, you guys, is we're gonna apply blush. Now since our lips are gonna be like really bold and red, I like to do like very light eye makeup and light face makeup, especially when I have such a bold lip. So I'm gonna take this blush palette by Juvias Place, and for blush I'm going to be very light with it. So I'm gonna take a little bit of Yara, which is this brown, and I feel like this kind of goes with like my bronzer because it's a brown blush. So I'm gonna take Yara and I'm going to mix it a little bit with that orange. So I'm gonna mix these two, but I'm gonna put mostly this shade so that it's not like a super bright blush because my lips are so bright. For highlight, I'm going to take my Essence Pure Nude Sunlighter, and I have mine in Be My Highlight. I love the 01. This is 40 Be My Sunlight. This is a little bit deeper, but I'm actually going to, you know what? I'm gonna take a little brush and just apply that on the tops of my cheeks. And now on top of my cheeks, I'm just gonna go lightly with this, and I'm gonna go in circles. So that's basically it for the face, you guys. Like, the face is very simple, the eyes are very simple, like everything is super simple, you know. I'm a simple gal. So now I'm gonna go back to the eyes, and for the eyes I'm gonna take this Tarte Big Ego Mascara, and this is like a sample that I have of it, and I'm gonna try to make my lashes as bold as possible. So I'm gonna just apply this. Actually, you know what, I can zoom you guys in for this. You could apply falsies for this if you want to apply falsies, especially since the wing is so bold. You could always apply falsies, but I just don't really want to do falsies, so I'm gonna actually go in with this Ilia mascara. This is my like favorite mascara at the moment. Okay, so this is the look. So now, guys, I gotta do a inner corner highlight. So I'm gonna take that highlighter I used on my face. I'm gonna just use that as my inner corner. We are done with that. So now I'm gonna set my face. I'm gonna take my 4th Ray Glisten Up Setting Mist, just because I want this, like, my foundation to be a little bit dewy. So I'm just gonna take that and just... Now, the star of the show. I'm gonna be taking this Kaja liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Satin Sheets, and this is part of their, I think, like, they're called the Cushy vibe liquid lipsticks, and this red is so beautiful. But before that, I'm gonna line my lips actually with a red lip liner. I'm actually gonna take the Ofra lip liner, and this is in the shade Maya, and I'm gonna line my lips with this lip liner. So let's see. Okay, so you guys, you know what I did? Actually, I messed up a little bit. So what I did was I took this skinny like flat brush, and I took a little bit of my foundation, and I just fixed the edges of my lipstick. So anytime your lipstick might, you know, go over your lips, you can always, like, instead of getting a wipe and taking off the makeup, like taking off your face makeup, you can always get a brush with foundation and just line around your lips to fix it. So yeah, so this is it, you guys, for this look. I really love this look. I think this is such a beautiful and classic look, and I especially love this look with like a ponytail, like a sleek ponytail, or like even like a sleek bun. I think this is so pretty. I just think that like a simple wing with such a beautiful red lip is such a classic look, and I really love this look. So before you go, guys, I want to tell you your affirmation for today, our affirmation for today. So our affirmation for today is I open my heart. So for today, guys, I want you guys to think about that. I want you to keep your heart open for any opportunity. Keep your heart open for anything positive. Keep just an open heart and an open mind today. And I just want you guys to keep your heart open and allow yourself to receive all of the good that the universe is sending to you. Keep your heart open just to receive positive and just good things. So that is the affirmation for today, guys, and that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you guys liked it, and please subscribe to my channel if you are not yet subscribed, and also give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.